Hello students, good morning. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty God. Dear students, today I am going to teach you a very interesting topic and I am sure you will like it. Very often many of my students tell me, sir, we are very confused about two things. Number one is gerund and another is present participle. So please stay with me so that your confusion will be removed today. I am sure if you enjoy my lecture. Look at the sentence, swimming is a good exercise. Dear students, it is very easy sentence. Look, swimming. Swim plus ing. Okay, if you see another sentence, look, they cross the river by swimming. So, swimming. Here is swimming and here is another sentence. Look, we swim in the swimming pool. Look, swimming. Another sentence, children like swimming. So, swimming. Another sentence, what I really like is swimming. So, here is also swimming. Children like swimming. So, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 sentences, there are 5 swimming. Now, which one is gerund and which one is participle, present participle? This is a very confusing question. So, dear students, please watch the following slides. I am sure I will explain it and your confusion will be removed. Now, today I am going to obviously teach you gerund and present participle. What will be the learning outcome of this lecture? The learning outcome of this lecture will be, after the end of the lecture, you will be able to identify gerund in sentences and also identify present participle in sentences. You need to remember, look, this thing, the present participle and gerund, so this is a formula. However, I am going to explain this formula in my whole lecture. At the end of the lecture, you will find that the same formula will come true. What is present participle and what is gerund? Now, look. Dear students, the first sentence, the very first sentence, swimming is a good exercise. I gave you. Now, swimming is a good exercise. Swimming, what is swimming? Means what type of birds of species is swimming? Swimming is here obviously a noun and also this is a subject. Is not it? Because swimming is a good exercise. What is good exercise? You ask with what? Key. Swimming. So, swimming is the subject because swimming is a good exercise and this is obviously a noun. Verb plus ing is working as a noun. Now, dear students, I am showing you this verb plus ing, this is a subject and this verb plus ing, swimming is used as a noun and this verb plus ing, when it is used as noun, you have to remember that it will be a gerund. Is it clear to you? Verb plus ing, when used as noun in the form of a subject of a sentence, this is called a gerund. Okay? So, I have written verb plus ing equal to subject equal to noun and this is equal to a gerund. So, you have to be clear about one thing, that when verb plus ing is used in a sentence as the subject of a sentence, it will be gerund. Is it clear to you? I will give you more examples in the next slides regarding gerund. So, okay, in a formula, okay, so that you can remember, G equal to V plus N. Look at the right of the slide, G in yellow box, G equal to V plus N. That means gerund equal to verb plus noun. Gerund, verb plus ing, noun er কাজ করবে and that will be used as gerund in the sentences. Okay, dear students, let us see one note you have to remember, that a subject of a sentence must be a noun, a pronoun, a noun phrase or a noun clause. You have to keep in mind, when any word used as subject, it should be noun or a pronoun or noun phrase or noun clause. It cannot be pronoun, swimming cannot be pronoun. It is not a phrase as well, and it is not also a clause as well. So it is a noun. Okay, come to the next slide. Dear students, children like swimming. Children like swimming. So you children like swimming, okay, fine. Now swimming, look, what is this swimming? What type of parts of speech is swimming here? Swimming is obviously a noun. Why swimming is noun? Look, now ask the question, why swimming is noun? Why it is noun? I am showing you why it is noun. Children like swimming. Look, who likes swimming? Children. What do they like? They like swimming. They like swimming. So subject, main verb, and then object. Look, subject, who like? Children like. Like is the main verb. What do they like? What do they like? They like swimming. So swimming is the object, and object must be, object of a sentence must be a noun, a pronoun, a noun phrase or a noun clause. So obviously this swimming is an object. So when verb plus ing will be used as object, it must be a noun, and that is obviously a gerund. Is it clear to you, dear students? So I have written verb plus ing is equal to object, is equal to noun, and is equal to gerund. So formula is G equal to V plus N. G equal to V plus N. Gerund equal to verb, এবং সেটা একটা noun form-এ থাকবে. Here swimming is the noun. So subject of a verb, subject of a sentence must be a gerund. At the same time, object of a verb must be a gerund. So two things is clear to you. Okay, next come to another sentence. What I really like is swimming. One of your friends is telling, actually, what I really like is swimming. আমি যেটা পছন্দ করি সেটা হলো swimming. So now, dear students, look at this sentence. It's a pretty complex sentence, okay, but I'm sure you understand. Although it's a complex sentence, I'm sure you understand. Look, what I really like, this is a clause. This is a clause, noun clause. Why? Because the whole thing, আমি যা পছন্দ করি, এই whole thing is the subject. Look, the total blue colored words, this is subject, and this is a clause. Why? There is a subject here particularly, and this whole thing is the subject. Is here is the main verb, means main verb of main clause, and swimming here is the subjective complement. I am going to explain you why this is subjective complement. Just try to understand the meaning. What I really like, আমি যেটা সত্যি সত্যি পছন্দ করি, আমি যেটা সত্যি সত্যি পছন্দ করি, কি পছন্দ করি সেটা হলো গিয়ে সুইমিং. তাহলে সুইমিংও যা, আমার লাইকিংও তা, একই জিনিস. সুইমিং যে জিনিস, what is swimming? That is what I like. So both of them are alike. For this reason, this swimming is the subjective complement. For this reason, it is a subjective complement. Why? Subject and swimming is here identical, same. So subjective complement, this swimming must be a noun, because complement here in this sentence is a noun. So same way, if we see this sentence, seeing is liking. Means if you see something, suppose you went to the shop, see a very beautiful dress, and you like it. So seeing is liking. But তুমি বললে, it's such a beautiful dress, you know, if you see it, you will like it. If you see it, you will like it. So seeing is liking. Look, liking. Same, seeing and liking the same. So this is subjective complement. So when subjective complement will be, it will be obviously gerund. Look, verb plus ing plus equal to complement, equal to noun, equal to gerund. So same way, G equal to V plus N. So gerund is the subject of a sentence, gerund is the object of a sentence, and gerund is also the complement of the subject. Now, dear students, come to another example. Another example I am giving you. They crossed the river by swimming. Look, here is by. I have given the word by with blue ink. Why? By, I am sure you know that by is the preposition. Pre means purbe, positions, sit. So preposition sit before noun. I am sure you know it. Prepositions sits before noun. So by swimming. Look, by swimming. Obviously, since by is at the first of swimming, so swimming obviously noun. And preposition sits before noun. So we tell this type of sentence, this type of gerund, we tell that governed by preposition. What we tell? Governed by preposition. Look here. They cross the river by swimming. This swimming is laid by preposition, governed by preposition, and this preposition is sitting before swimming. So when preposition sits before any word, that word is particularly noun. So if it is noun, obviously that will be a gerund. Noun means that will be gerund. Look here, verb plus ing led by preposition equal to gerund, G equal to V plus N. So dear students, you have seen that subject of a sentence having verb plus ing must be a noun, and that must be a gerund. Object of a sentence, object of a verb with verb plus ing must be a noun, and that is obviously a gerund. Again, complement, subjective complements with verb plus ing, that is also a gerund. And finally, governed by preposition, any word verb plus ing laid by preposition should be gerund. So this four way gerund should be used, and gerunds are used in the sentences. So if you see this type of sentence, whatever sentence may be, if it is a subject verb plus ing, gerund, object verb plus ing, gerund, governed by preposition verb plus gerund, governed by preposition verb plus ing, gerund, and subjective complement verb plus ing is gerund. Now come to present participle. Okay, look at this sentence. We swim in the swimming pool. We swim in the swimming pool. Dear students, we subject, swim verb, in preposition, the article. Where we swim? Where do we swim? Where do we swim? In the swimming pool. In the swimming pool is the phrase. Look, pool headward. Pool headward. What type of pool? Swimming pool. Look, swimming pool. Swimming is modifying the word pool. So pool is the noun, and swimming is the adjective. This modifying means this word swimming is modifying. Look here, modifying the noun pool. Swimming is here modifying the word pool. It is neither a subject nor an object nor the complement nor governed by preposition, and it is only modifying a word, and that is a noun. This swimming or this present participle may sit before noun or may sit after noun. However, it must modify. You have already studied pre-modifier and post-modifier. So all the pre-modifiers and post-modifiers having verb plus ing must be present participle, and that is present participle. So dear students, look, verb plus ing modifying a noun should be present participle. Okay, that is a participle. And P equal to, look, formula P equal to V plus A. P equal to V plus A. Participle equal to verb plus adjective. Verb kintu adjective. Look, swimming, swim verb ing, swimming verb plus ing, it's acting like adjective. So this is called participle. So dear students, these 5 examples I have given you regarding gerund. I have given you 4 examples: subject of a sentence, object of a verb, complement of a subject, subjective complement, then governed by preposition, means before gerund there will be a preposition. So this four way, in four places gerunds are used. And finally present participle, in case of present participle means participle, in that case verb plus ing must modify, verb plus ing must modify the noun before it or after it. Now dear students, you have to remember adjective must modify a noun. So this is a common truth you know. So now have you got the answer of the question that this gentleman asked at the beginning of the lecture? I am sure you have got the answer of this question. What is present participle? What is present participle? Present participle is equal to verb plus ing is equal to adjective. This means present participle equal to verb plus adjective. Verb এবং adjective, verb কিন্তু সেটা adjective এর কাজ করছে, ভার্বের ing নিয়ে, that is present participle. And gerund is verb plus noun, means verb plus ing, but it is working as noun. So I am sure your confusion about gerund and participle is to some extent it's removed. If you don't understand the difference watching my lecture a single time, I will request you to watch the lecture times again. And if you have any question really, please you can write me in the inbox. I will give you the answer. Obviously I will give you some more examples to clarify or to remove your confusion. And dear students, I am giving you some more examples of present participle. Here I am giving 4 examples of present participle. Look, we swim in the swimming pool. You have seen that swimming is the present participle. I packed the box with a wrapping paper. Whenever you go to a party, you buy a gift, so you wrap the box, gift box, with wrapping paper. Look, wrap, 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 wrapping. So wrapping is the present participle modifying paper. Then we saw a bird flying. I told you that it can be post modifier as well. Bird flying. So flying is the post modifier. Flying is the post modifier of bird. Again, her father is a doctor working in the hospital. Look, doctor working, doctor working. So working is the post modifier of doctor. So modifying means adjective, modifying means here present participle. So I am sure you understand the difference between gerund and present participle. Dear students, I am giving you a few homeworks to practice at home. I am sure you will enjoy to find out by yourself which one is gerund and which one is participle. So please try at home. I am sure your confusion will be removed, and from my lecture today, if you watch it times again, you will be very capable of writing which one is gerund and which one is present participle. Best of luck. I'll see you in my next lecture. Thank you. May God keep you in good health.